All right, guys, I'm back here at Caliber Collision. It's been 3 weeks since my truck hit a deer. In case you missed that video, here's a little quick version of the dash cam. And yeah, that deer didn't know what to do, and so yeah, he's dead. Anyways, back here at Caliber Collision, it's been 3 weeks. And I'm going to show you a little bit of footage now. You can see some of the damage on the truck. I've already shown you this, but I wanted to show you again a little bit of the damage. And then here's a little bit of video. If you look at the damage, it basically was pretty significant with the bumper and the fender and everything. And then here's now a little video that I did last week of where shows you the panels taken off and everything. And then now I want to bet you're curious what it looks like now, so I'm going to show you. It actually doesn't look that bad. They've gotten a lot of the panels painted and put back on. They're going to add the ceramic coating and the 3M clear bra. They still got to do that. And if you look, there's one little piece that's basically it looks like the same side where you would charge it. It's like the little charging door, so they got to put that on. And then they have another piece behind the bumper that they're going to have to replace. But anyways, I got a couple more weeks here, and then they should actually be done right at the end of the month of August. So but anyways, that's good. So it's not that bad, but I'm really excited. They've got a lot done. And so I really miss my truck. I'll put a link in the video. You can watch the second video where I actually showed, you could probably see it over there, the Ram truck. Did a little review on that. I am not liking the amount of gas that I'm spending. So anyways, stay tuned for more updates. So far though, you're probably wondering how much it actually is costing. So what's the estimate is, and right now the estimate is at $10,168. So he was telling me that maybe it'll go up a little bit more, but we'll see. So it's not bad. It originally started at 7,000. Now it's about 10, but that kind of thing happens as they discover more things they got to fix. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more updates about the truck hitting a deer saga. We'll keep going on more of these updates, and I look forward to having my truck back soon. So I'll keep you updated.